Hello. The user interface has changed when creating a Dataverse table. I'm going to walk you through the new way to create your Dataverse table for the school maintenance assignment in the Power Up program. I'm currently in my school maintenance solution, and to create a new table, you're going to want to click on New, go to Table, and then click on Tables. This is going to take you to the new designer, where you're going to see 4 tiles on the screen. The next step is to click on Start from Blank. And then when you click on here, it's going to give you this graphical user interface. And the first thing you're going to want to do is name your table. In this case, this is going to be the locations table. And then your primary column is going to be right here where it says new column. To modify this name, you're just going to need to click on the drop down and click on edit column. And then this will pop up the dialog for you to rename your column. And in this case, you're going to just change the name to location name and then click update. After this, go ahead and click on the save and exit button located at the upper right-hand corner. You might get a dialog here asking if you are done working. Go ahead and click on save and exit. And what this is going to do, this is going to create your new table. And this is where you just have to give it a little bit of time to finish loading. Once it's complete, it's going to take you back to your solution, and then it's going to refresh with your table in here. And then to continue making updates to your table, you're just going to go ahead and click on your locations table name. And then here, this is going to take you to your table. And then now the user interface should match what you are seeing in the videos. So now you can continue to create additional fields or columns for your table. Thank you very much, and I hope this helps.